opportunities into our lives. To my mentor, my partner, my second mother, our sales and marketing director, Dr. A. Rani Arunasala. Ma, thank you for your endless support, your patience, your kindness, and for believing in me even when I was struggling. And to my family, especially my mother, Aurelia Valindes. Ma'am, can you please stand? And my children, you are my strength, my life, and my reason for being. Your love and support mean everything to me. Thank you for inspiring me always to keep going and become better every day. To all my leaders and members, thank you for your trust, your cooperation, and your presence today. And above all, glory to God, because without Him, I would not be standing here today. Last year was the most painful season of my life. I faced so many problems, so many struggles, and I was fighting battles that no one could ever see. And during that time, I experienced the greatest loss a mother could ever feel. Last year, I lost my daughter, Tanya. And until now, it still hurts. What pains me the most is I didn't even have enough time to take care of her, to be fully present, because my mind was overwhelmed with so many problems. That is something I carry in my heart every single day. There were nights I cried in silence. Moments I felt empty. Moments I questioned everything. But God never left me. He gave me strength when I have nothing left. He carried me when I was broken. And slowly, He helped me stand again. And through His grace, I found iNetwork, a company that didn't just give me income. It gave me hope, it gave me purpose, and it gave me a reason to continue. In a short period of time, through faith and hard work, I was able to build my team. And today, I am standing not for myself, but for my daughter Tanya, for my family, and to all of you who believe in this journey. That is why today is not just a celebration. This is a new beginning, a new life, a second chance, not only for me, but to everyone who chooses to fight for their dreams. In iNetwork, my mission is so clear. I want to build strong leaders, leaders who will not give up, leaders who will rise no matter how many times they fall. My goal is to create millionaires, not just in income, but in mindset, in purpose, and in life. And my dream, our dream, is to own house and lot in iNetwork for the next 5 years. So to everyone here today, if you are hurting, keep going. If you are tired, keep pushing. And if you feel broken, trust God, and He will lead you in the right way. Because sometimes your greatest pain becomes the reason for your greatest purpose. I believe that I will succeed in iNetwork. Believe in yourself. Trust God. Give your best every single give up. Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone.